Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform ear tip fit test for your earbuds ANKER Liberty 3 Pro. You have to start by open Soundcore application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see it at the device list. Tap on it, and after that scroll down. Go to more settings. And right here in the fifth line we have Fit Test, so click on it. Now remove your earbuds from the charging case and put it to your ears. After that, click Earbuds in position. Then, don't speak, only click at the Start the test. Allow it. Now it will play some song for you, and you need to wait until this test is finished. Now let's start it. And right here we have feedback, and you can also retest by click at this button, and also if you haven't something else that excellent seal, I recommend it to change ear tips and maybe it fix it. But if you finish it, you can click just at this icon at the left top and just return to the menu. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!